How to copy base in Clash of Clans from YouTube. And this very quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can copy any types of base in Clash of Clans directly from YouTube. It's very simple. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is do not open the application yet, because there is actually a specific link that you need to access from YouTube, and it will automatically be redirect you into your base from Clash of Clans. So we'll just pull up YouTube, and from here, use the magnifying glass to type in free COC base. Now you're gonna have to choose on the specific content creator that you prefer for you to be able to copy the base. Say for example, let's just choose on this one right here. And what you want to have to do here is to go into the content creator's video description, which is going to be this option here to say see more. And then choose on see more once again. And if you scroll down, you should automatically get these types of bases that you can use. So say TH 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. And you could also try to check out the video for you to be able to have a reference of the specific um, base layout that you will be copying. And that's it. That's how you copy base in Clash of Clans from YouTube.